My spouse makes a lot more money than I do. What happens to me and my young family if something terrible happens to her? How do I provide for my family and plan for the future? We have kids and a mortgage. What should we do? We get this question all the time, especially from couples who are earlier in their careers and who have just started to save in their investment accounts in their employer's 401k. Since they're just starting to accumulate assets, they typically haven't saved enough to meet their lifestyle needs if something drastic happens to the higher earning spouse. One of the things that we think about is to consider term life insurance. All right, so what exactly is term life insurance? It's a life insurance that lasts for a particular amount of time. That's the term part. The term is typically 10, 15, maybe 20 years. That means the insurance policy will pay out a set amount during that period when a qualifying event happens, like an early death. You purchase a policy with a set payout. You could buy a policy that has the value of $500,000 or several million. The cost of this policy really depends on how much your insurance you plan to buy, the age and health of the insured person, and the term length of the policy. This cost, or premium, is usually the same every year for the life of the insurance. At the end of the term of the insurance, the policy expires. At that point, you hope to be self-insured, meaning your investment assets have accumulated and grown to a point where you can meet your obligations if the higher earning spouse were to unexpectedly pass away. So how do you know how much to buy? To answer this question, you should consult with your advisor. Typically, your wealth advisor will work with you on building a long-term financial plan. Part of that plan work, sadly enough, is to consider the early death of the higher wage earner. Your advisor can work with you on different scenarios to model the right amount of term insurance to meet your lifestyle needs while still building wealth for the ultimate retirement. Visit our blog at morgiawm.com/blog for an in-depth article about life insurance. You can also make an appointment to talk with one of our advisors for a financial plan. They can help you better understand your situation and help you begin to protect your lifestyle in case of an early death.